Okay. There you go. Yeah.
Guess they wanted Twins baseball. Mr. Huck, look like you're having fun. Come on, this is the LP Fire Brigade. Good to see you again.
Is that Corvette still over there?
Yep.
Yeah, there it is.
I think looking at really good about it. So someone's got to wait for me. Nope, we have no candy. Oh, sorry.
Got my Sharpie, I'll do signatures. I'll sign
I
it.
like the exclamation triangle.
I think, what is that? That warning that the
doors
rear door is open? It's pretty cool though, you can see everything in the back. Okay,
We got bubbles.
we got a break dancer at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, break dancing.
Break dancing.
That's Prairie's a nice town. Be a hell of a lot closer to work, that's for sure. Hi, girls.
Oh yeah. There's somebody that's had about 2 or 12 beers today so
She
far.
told me you wanted to do live. I got the section come mount up. I can mount it to the top of the truck.
Oh.
You can just left it there. No vibration, no nothing. Nice stability.
That's alright.
Yeah.
Is everybody going to be on just the right side?
Now we got a couple stragglers.
We got 2 people over there, they're all by themselves. Hey, they're smart, they're in the shade though.
No shit.
Yeah.
They have a good day to be shade.
They got it going on.
We might be out of here in record time.
Here's Sparky the Clown.
He's a bubble
He's
maker.
got his bubbles. Oh, something smells good. That smells really good. When the parade's over, we'll come back. They got the smoker
Here,
going there.
smell it.
Oh, that smells good.
They got the timing down now with the wave on the parade Gabala behind us.
Now he's got the bubbles really going.
We got a nice little gap going on here. Oh, he's got a lot. such an interesting breed.
So this is downtown Lester
And there should be a
Prairie.
lot more people here. That's because it's too high. It's gotta be.
Oh.
This thing's using a lot more packed. The beer garden and playground area over here.
Yeah.
Every day.
Oh, I got a surprise for you. On the CD that we're playing, the next track is Marilyn Manson.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I think that'll really go over well here.
Somebody kill me.
Yeah, and then maybe
Maybe down here now.
it's hilarious. We'll be popular when he's old enough to go out hitting the Saturday night dance. He'll be dancing with the girls. He'll be real popular.
Sorry. Afternoon, ladies. I like how someone figured that was like, why am I here? You know? I think it's me for a free dental check. I realized they left him at home so they couldn't check him anymore. Well, think about it. Carrie's probably right here in the next corner of my left.
Okay.
I usually run into her. If anywhere. Anyway, take a left. Let's really screw with everybody. Make to think the wonderful parade went somewhere else.
Almost ran over Sparky the Clown. What's wrong? What are you doing?
I don't know.
You almost killed the clown in front of all these kids.
Now we get in the crowd. There you go. Camera with the tripod. Play radio tonight.
It's all about today's country and all-time favorites. You get more of it here.
Get more of it here.
You get more of it here. You get so much
This is
more.
so not Marilyn Manson.
You get so much more. It's the next track. It's Marilyn Manson.
I'm sure it's so
It
Marilyn
is.
Manson.
Yep. You're gonna get so much more Marilyn Manson.
Love it so. She's done it right. Bring the camera. Hey girls. I would. Oh wait, we're trying. We have air conditioning.
Watch these kids. They're just running out to pop the bubbles.
I see that.
I don't think anybody's throwing stuff.
Well, there's some that were out of candy already, but
Really?
horn broke.
Horns, honk the horn. We're playing music. What do you want to hear the horn for?
I'm amused we found the headphone jacks.
You think we're a semi? We're a big rig?
Yeah, Mrs. Clown's right there. Oh, they came up behind us real quick.